How to use Zoom transcription to record meeting notes. So the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Zoom meeting, and then from here, if you tap on more, here you'll be able to see the option of show captions, right? If you simply tap on it and enable it, now your captions are turned on, and whatever you are saying or somebody else is saying will be all recorded right here. So if you want to take the note, what we're going to do is tap on the pencil icon that you can see in the top right corner, tap on that one, and in here what are we going to do is simply enable the option or to start my notes for future meeting, or you can simply tap on start taking notes. I'm going to enable this auto start my notes, right? So after doing that, you can now go back, and in here if you simply tap on here, you'll be able to see all of your captions and transcriptions, right? So again, let's get into our note right here and start taking our notes, start taking notes. And then from here, now what it is going to do is simply detect all of the notes in here. You can even start typing your own if you want to, and when you're done, you can tap on done, and if you want to save it, save anywhere, or you can tap on delete if you want to delete this note. And just like this, you'll be able to use your Zoom transcription to record your meeting notes. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.